Salia, isn't it great that those people who are playing music even can't they understand their lyrics, and even they can't speak English, even they can't understand English, okay, even they can't talk Hindi properly. Have you seen such type of morons around us? They just know how to make noise pollution. Only one thing, that to make noise pollution as much as they can. Other than this, their language is like खा रहा हूँ, जा रहा हूँ, बैठ रहा हूँ. Okay, that how they speak generally. Okay, so we were at combination reaction. It will form very new type of combinations. Okay, now we are going to learn about very simple combination reaction. Okay, isn't it? Uh, just balance this. Okay, just balance this is our another combination reaction. Okay, this is very simple type of combination reaction. Okay, so this is combination reaction. Now we will learn about combination reactions, but they will release heat. Combination reaction. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, one of another I want to tell you, please don't write this in your exams. Okay, these are very simple definitely examiner will not cut your marks, but it will not, you cannot impress him or her if you want to get good marks. This is just a saver. Okay, life saver. If you forgot anything, then you can write that these are combination reactions because two things are making something very unique. Okay, very special. Okay, so these are just savior. Okay, don't write this. If you forget something, then you can write this. Other than, please don't write this. Okay, write something difficult as we have done here. Okay, write something very difficult. Okay, so examiner will think that the student is extremely intelligent. Now we are going to learn about some combination reactions for sure. Okay, but these combination reactions will release heat. Okay, so first of all, we are writing about burning of natural gas. Okay, you all of us burn this. Okay, cylinders we use in our four-wheelers, in our cars. Okay, in our automobile, the cylinder we used is made up of natural gas. The natural gas is methane, that is CH4, and there is, I'm just writing a continuous balanced equation. Okay, so this is the reaction, this is the reactant, and finally we get CO2 plus 2H2O. Okay, so this will be my product, and this is a formation of very new thing, that is carbon dioxide. So this is also a combination reaction, but this is producing heat. Okay, that is a production of heat. That's why this is known as exothermic reaction. Okay, exothermic. Okay, that means it will release heat, it can create heat. Okay, there is a release of heat. That's why we are facing a problem which is known as global warming. What is global warming? And in cities, okay, in cities you are living in mid city, and I'm living outside, a bit outside from local city area. Okay, at my region there is much cold, there is I can feel much winters in my regions, but in your regions you can barely feel the coldness which I can feel, because at your area, at the mid of the city, all of people use this natural gas and burn them by their automobile, and there is a formation of heat. So it is exothermic reaction. And at my area or in jungle, okay, when you go to jungle, you will feel much cold during night times. Why so? Because there are no vehicles and there is no formation of heat all over the day, all over the year. Okay, so that's why this is known as exothermic reaction. Now, second reaction we are going to learn, that is uh, respiration. If you remember, respiration, all of we do this. C6H12O6. You know one thing, whatever we eat, whatever you eat, whatever fat, carbohydrate, protein, glucose, okay, whatever eat are made up of these basic things, okay. And whenever we breathe, okay, it will convert to, you know, carbon dioxide, which we release from our bodies, and water and energy. Okay, this is our respiration process, and as much as you respire, you will create that much amount of heat. You know, when you run so fast, you respire so fast, you will create heat energy that gives us power to run so fast, okay, to respire so fast, okay. So whenever we run, we respire fast and it will give us energy to run, okay. But energy is a form of heat, definitely. So that's why when you respire so fast, or when you run so fast, or when you do something very 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 physical extra work, okay, your body get high temperature. Definitely it will increase your temperature. Why so? Because respiration is an exothermic process, because it releases energy. Okay, this is exothermic. Again, decomposition. What is decomposition? Decomposition, that have you visited a place where all of the people deposit their garbage? Have you visited a place? If you have to visit, or someday if you visit, okay, you can notice that this place where there is a grounds where people dispose their garbage, okay, it is having comparatively more heat. Okay, the area which is free from any garbage, and the area which is having garbage, you can feel the smells there, the smell, a weird type of smells, because definitely there is garbage and it is getting rotten, okay. You can feel two things, that is there is heat, and that is weird smells, definitely. Okay, so the heat is why so, because whatever garbage uh, people are disposing there, okay, plus some microorganism like bacteria and fungi, you know, the garbage areas are hub of microorganism, okay. They will decompose it. They will do, they will decompose it, they will again change them to soil after decomposing, okay. But this creates heat, okay. So decomposition is also exo and an exothermic reaction, okay. This is again an exothermic reaction. So this is exothermic reactions, and we will learn about endothermic reaction after two or three basic reactions. So what we studied about combination reaction. In this combination reaction we studied there are so many type of another reaction which are considered as exothermic, okay. Now this exothermic reaction, okay, after some time we will study about endothermic, that is exothermic reaction is creating heat, and endothermic reaction will absorb heat, okay. So you will feel cold around, okay. We will learn this when some after some reactions. Now the main reaction, that is decomposition reaction, okay. Combination reaction we studied, now there is decomposition reaction. Something will get decomposed or something will get breakdown. Decomposition, okay. Now what is decomposition reaction? The decomposition reaction, there will be for sure only one product, sorry, reactant, only one reactant, remember, only one reactant, only one reactant, okay. And there can be more than there can be two or more than two products, okay. Two or more than two, okay, definitely two and more than two. This is the decompose, that means breaking down, okay. First one was combination, in which two things are combining to form something new or unique. Now it is breaking up. Both of these reactions are opposite to each other. These two reactions, combination reaction and decomposition reaction, both of them are opposite. You can uh, you can write a single reaction to explain both of them. Remember what we have used in combination reaction, we will use again these reactions, okay, but in this way, okay, in this way, okay. So these are the reactions, okay, and we can use this in this way, okay. So let's get started. I'm telling you because uh, while doing this, it is, you can found it very simple, you don't need to learn so many reactions. So let's take an example, decomposition reaction. I'm taking example, H2O will break down into H2 plus O, okay. I'm writing this slacked lime will break down into quick lime and water. Okay, just take this in opposite direction. Just take this in opposite direction. Okay, just take this. I did the same thing. I just took this in big direction, and this is when we go from this, it is known as combination reaction. When we go from this side, this is decomposition reaction. Same thing. Okay, and everything will be reversed. If it is creating heat, it will absorb heat definitely. Okay, it will absorb heat for sure. Okay, yeah. So I just, it is in reverse direction, okay. So these two reactions are decomposition reaction. You understand that how decomposition reaction and combination reactions are reacted, both of them are opposite to each other. If you learn, if you are learning one reaction, you can sometimes, not always, sometimes you can use this single reaction in reverse direction to write down both of them, okay. So this is my slack lime, this is my quick lime, and this is water. Okay, so basically, uh, these decomposition reactions are basically of three types. Okay, these three types are, write down the definition, that is single reactant breakdown to give simple products, that can be two, three or more. Single reactant can break down to give simple products, okay, that can be one, two, three, four, whatever, okay. Now the type of decomposition reactions are, they are three type of decomposition reaction. First of all, heat or thermal decomposition. Remember, heat or thermal decomposition. Second is electrolysis. What is the meaning of decomposition? We will do decomposition, okay. Write down first three things: heat or thermal decomposition, electrolysis, or sunlight. After I will tell you. Heat decomposition, heat, okay. There will be a reactant and there will be product, okay, but we will break down them by using heat, okay. Now second, there is a reactant and there is a product. Products are definitely, they are simpler than reactant, they should be simpler, okay, because we are breaking down them. We will use electricity to break down them, okay. And the third one, that is my reactant and that is my product, and I will use sunlight to make my products, simple products, okay. This is the uh, decomposition reaction, okay. Now we are going to learn about the thermal decomposition, okay, and we will learn this thermal decomposition on tomorrow, because you, this is your next class time. So we will use thermal decomposition or heat. Heat. Okay, both are same. So what will we do? We will do one thing. We will use heat to break down this. Okay, it can be more. And definitely this should be complex and this should be simple because we are breaking down it, okay. And we will learn this on tomorrow, based on tomorrow, okay. If you have any problem, you can ask me, Salia. Please don't forget me to remind, okay, at 2 p.m. that I have to send you the notes of two chapters, that is light and chemical reaction and equations, okay. And sixth chapter, kindly learn by yourself from book, okay. Don't take help of anything. First of all, this is my suggestion to you, that for sixth chapter, even don't try to learn notes which are provided by your teacher. First of all, learn everything from NCERT, especially for chapter 6, that is life process, okay, because it is very typical type of chapter. So don't search anything outside sources. First of all, learn this from your NCRT book. Okay. After that, you can try for something else. But first is learn from your NCRT book. That is for chapter 6, only chapter 6. Okay. So I'm finishing my class.